Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. In this video, we will discuss what is the latest situation of B4U Global, its CEO Mr. Saifur Rahman, and what are his chances of coming out of prison. As a brief recap, as you're all aware, he was arrested few weeks back on fraud charges, and he is not in some ordinary jail. He is in the custody of National Accountability Bureau. It's a premier anti-corruption body which has its own laws, own prisons, and own courts. So if he stays there, either he'll have to return the money to the investors or face a trial, and if convicted, he'll be staying in jail for a long time. So what has happened? He has got a lucky break, and the government of Pakistan on 7th October has got in a new law. And in this law, civilians and those people who are not public office holders, like they are not government officials, they cannot be arrested by the National Accountability Bureau, because this organization is very powerful, and there have been some complaints that they arrest people and they put them in jail and this and that. So government has decided that the jurisdiction of NAB will be less now. So Mr. Saifur Rahman has got a lucky break, and he has applied for relief, and there have been few hearings on the court in this matter. His lawyer plead that as per the new law of National Accountability Bureau or NAB, he cannot be held in the NAB prison, and he should be arrested from he should be released from the jail immediately. There have been few hearings, but so far no relief has been given to him. He still is in prison, and on 21st of October he will appear before the National Accountability Court judge. So on this date, it is expected that a decision will be taken of what will happen to his case. So there has been a lot of confusion right now that which cases will go to which other departments, because as per the new law, the existing cases of NAB, the National Accountability Bureau, will be transferred to other federal Pakistan courts and departments. So this is a lengthy process because there are hundreds of active cases in NAB right now. So to decide which case goes where, it might take some time. So right now he's still in jail. He has got no relief, and as per the company, no bank withdrawal is being given. Their accounts are still frozen, and there have been few protests in favor of Mr. Saifur Rahman, and that they want to legalize network marketing, but no luck so far for the investors. The National Accountability Bureau gave an ad recently in the newspaper, but right now after the new law, their powers are very less to pursue the case. But there have been other rumors that there might be a new law, so that the fraud charges, the big fraud charges against people, they will remain with the NAB. And if this happens, then Mr. Saifur Rahman will be again in trouble, because if NAB pursues this case, then there are high chances of his conviction rate, because as you are aware, his money trail is very weak. This is why his bail got cancelled by the Islamabad High Court and the Pakistan Supreme Court. So this is the latest situation. He remains in jail, but because of a new law, he can get benefit from it. But on 21st of October, that's the important date, and I'll update you on 21st. So that's it. Thank you very much.